What's up, guys? Blah. Sorry. I don't know, man. I don't like... Fuck. What's up, guys? I don't really like doing update videos, so let's keep this short. Basically, I haven't posted a video in a minute, so I figured I gotta at least let you guys know what's going on. Feels like I got a million things to get done before winter, and for all the new people to the channel, sometimes I take a break. You know, I'm not a big YouTuber. Sometimes I take a few weeks off and I just, kind of, reset so I don't burn out. Anyways, this winter I got a bunch of cylinder head related content coming up. I mean, I'm gonna be in the workshop. I gotta finish some heads up for next spring. I got some, some other things I'd like to, check out and demonstrate. And actually, coming up in November, I ordered another set of heads, but they're not going to ship until sometime in November. So maybe around Thanksgiving time, I'll have an unboxing. We'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Keep it real.